How to use parental controls on Disney Plus. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Launch the Disney Plus application in your mobile device. Make sure that your Disney Plus application is up to date and you are logged into your account. Now, if you want to use a parental control at the beginning, you can create a kids profile. If you already have one and if you need the more security, tap on the profile icon. From here, select your kid's profile or any profile. Then you will see the option of toggle on kids profile. Make sure you have toggled it on. Then you will see variety of option once you have toggled on kids watch. Now, parental control means you can create a pin so that your child cannot adjust any of the settings within the profile. Also, you will get the chance to filter out the contents depending upon the age group. For that, you can just tap on content rating under parental controls. That is how you can use your parental control for your Disney Plus. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.